Hi everyone, welcome to today 8 of my English speaking practice series. Today I am going to talk about my hobbies and what I like to do in my free time. I believe hobbies make our life interesting and help us relax after a busy day. One of my favorite hobbies is listening to music. Music makes me feel too calm and happy. Something as I listen to English songs, it helps me learn new words and uncertain natural. Another hobbies I enjoy is reading books and articles in English. Even if I don't understand every word, I try to guess the meaning from the sentence. This is one of the best way to improve vocabulary and thinking in English. I also enjoy making videos. Like this one. This one recording English speaking video daily has become both my hobby and my practice routine. It helps me improve my fluency, pronunciation, and confidence every day. Something I make shorts notes of new words I use while speaking. For example, confidence, consistence, express, communicate. This small habit helps me speak naturally without fear. In my free time, I love to go for a walk or spend time outdoors. When I walk, I try to describe things around me in English. Like the sky looks beautiful, or the weather is nice today. It's fun way to practice English in real life. So friends, hobbies are not just for fun. They also helps us learn new thing. If you want to speak English better, try to include English in your hobbies. Listen, read, or speak a little every day, and you will see the difference. Thank you for watching day 8 of my English speaking practice. Keep learning and keep growing and never stop speaking. See you tomorrow in day 9. Thank you and supporting me, and subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel and like this video, and one comment for how I improve my speaking skill and how I expand my vocabulary, how I improve my grammar and pronunciation, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you tomorrow.